Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do the wee woo wee woo. Look what I do. 22 and he do wee woo wee woo.
We don't want our double unders looking like that now, do we? What is up, guys and girls? This is Glenn here, once again with another RopeRage video. So, today, we're going to look at double unders. Double unders, easily the most highly requested technique to work on. So, if you've tried everything, you've tried working with coaches, you've tried whipping yourself repeatedly, soldiering through the pain with a resilience that would put the most patient man to shame.
Nice.
That's quite nice. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to try something different, something you've probably not tried before. We are going to use our brand new Rage Gear Nunchucks to work on the rope rotation technique for the double under. The thing with the double under is that you may be forgiven for believing that it's just a matter of speeding up the hands. And it is true that the hands need to be swifter, but it's not so much speeding up the hands as it is getting that to work in concert with your jump, getting the timing right. You can do slow double unders and you can do quick double unders. It's not solely down to speeding up the hands. The great thing about these Rage Gear Nunchucks is that they allow for focused training. They allow you to hone that skill of rope rotation, of rope handling, to the point that your double under technique comes along much quicker. So, if you have got, where is it? So if you've got our Redefining Rage training handbook, discover the art of fierce jump rope training and never depend on the gym again, you will remember that towards the end of the book there is an entire section dedicated to nunchucks versus jump ropes, and in that section we have a couple of pages that outline drills you can do to improve your rope handling. So the drill we're going to look at for this particular technique is the ski swing. No prizes for guessing why they're called the ski swing. The motion of the hands resembles a skier as they go down the slope or up the slope. I don't know if you can ski up slopes. I've always wanted to go skiing actually, but bucket list for sure. So we're not going to be using our jump rope in this manner, of course, but the exercise of going from the top position down and sweeping up in time, controlling that movement, is an exercise in control. Getting that nunchuck to come back up in a straight line without jumping around is a bit of a challenge. So work on that first. Then, once you've got full control of those ski swings, what you want to do at the hip bone region is put in a rotation. If you can go straight for the double rotation, perfect. But start with one rotation and then down. One rotation down, come back up. One rotation, come back up. What we're doing here is we're throwing in rotations while that nunchuck is coming downwards. So what this means is you're interrupting the momentum of the nunchuck coming down to pop in your rotation and carry on the movement. Now this will translate to your double unders quite simply. As you're skipping regularly, you're going to interrupt the momentum to get your double rotation in. Ideally start on the spot. You're not jumping around at this point. We're working solely on the rotations. We're doing focused training here. But after you've done that for a while, start incorporating some bounces and then some actual full jumps. What you'll notice is that as you jump, the nunchucks will flare outwards. They won't be as straight as when you're stood, but that's because as you make impact with the ground, that's shooting ground force up through the body. So that's going to come out through your nunchucks. That's not an issue. As long as you're keeping your nunchucks straight and they're not flying around and jumping around, you're all good. You're working on timing your double rotations in with each jump. And the best part of this, and using the nunchucks for many other similar techniques that do rely on hand rotation skill, is that you're not going to mess up every 20 seconds and whip yourself on the back because there isn't a rope. We've eliminated the rope with these nunchucks so we can work on focused hand rotation. There's no rope, so you're not going to trip on anything. You're not going to whip yourself on the back. It's not going to be frustrating training in that sense. So This allows for continuous, uninterrupted training, uninterrupted focus work on the hands. That's what you could probably tell I'm quite excited as I'm speaking, because I can just see a bunch of breakthroughs just coming through. This allows you to work on those hands, work on that timing it in with your jumps. So although you are incorporating those jumps, the focus on the hands is what will really do the trick here. We can all jump up and down. We can all do that. If I told you to imagine you had a jump rope and to do those double unders, you would do them, right? There isn't a rope to catch the feet. So the problem is not the feet. The problem is the hands and the timing the hands in concert with the feet. So there we have it. I wanted to keep this one short and sweet. Let me know what you think of this video format. Very exciting times. We have just launched our new Rage Gear range of training equipment. So if you haven't got yours yet, highly encouraged to get on our website, go and check that out. This first batch is a limited run, so get yours. We're going to be doing a lot of videos breaking down exactly how you can use these tools to improve your training. And it's going to be fun times. If you're having any troubles, let me know down below. If this helps you, let me know down below. If there's something else you want to work on that's been bugging you, let me know down below. I'll get to work on it as soon as I can. I appreciate you for taking the time to make it to the end of this video. Well done for doing that. And until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.